That's 3. And we have so it's supposed to be here. Okay. Amount of points for that one is below 100, so we should have another position there.
Order filled.
Still 3. Stop should be here. It's not obvious. Okay, I'm just gonna log it. Position 3 filled, retracing to gap, and we retake a gap with a similar to tweezers pattern filled on buy stop with a 2 contract order. We'll see what it does. Looks like 15 wants to climb higher. We are very close to take out the overnight range on the 15. Not sure if we did, but also the 4 hour from yesterday is poking towards the highs. It's very close right now, but yeah, we'll see where we get from this. Okay. Checking the chat, nothing. Okay. So we need a strong close above this 30010, which happens to be actually 30011 happens to be the level from 24 hours ago. And yeah, so you can imagine what happens if we go above there. This reaction is small compared to what would happen. It should just jump there. We'll see what it does though. Just waiting for it. I'm gonna find some more tea. Going sideways. Yeah, okay. I do actually like the big screen better. I mean, I really like this laptop. It's really cool, but this big screen, wow, it's nice. No double top yet, but maybe it creates a double top. Who knows? They're trying for the other side, huh? Looking at the 15, 2.5 minutes to go. Can price actually close above there? That's the thing. Well, we'll find out, won't we? We used 3 orders. Just yeah, so the third position I put on is a 2 contract, but I had to enter twice because I calculated the size. But I've used 3 orders right now. Uh, 3 minutes until 4 o'clock, and 4 o'clock should have some news. I mean, you see how this thing just all synchronizes. And suddenly those stops feel quite close, huh? Yeah, they do. Alright, we wait. 350 buyers, no follow through. That's not a good sign. And I'm sitting here with this. Alright. Let's see. And 15. Or maybe the 15 is pulling back to gather strength. But I mean, yeah. Maybe it's waiting. 1 minute. It's almost like I can't watch the screen. Wow. I do wonder what's up with the Claude thing though. Start with buyers. It's not really good, you know. If we want to go higher, we should start with sellers, but hey. So a about 40 minutes to go. Should I log into that thing? Let's see. This is what we're waiting for. So we have 3 contracts on and news is about to hit. That's probably a bad idea. Let's see. Right? Yeah. I don't have the news numbers fast anyway, but the chart will show what's up. 10 seconds. Should I watch the screen? Maybe I should not watch the screen. Yeah. Let's see. We can get... there we are. News are out. Wow, that's a lot of action. I'm sitting really close with that stop, huh? Wow. They're buying it. Red delta, but they're buying it. No. Normal. Okay, are we gonna go above? Okay. Okay. So microwave water for some tea. Apparently it wants to go up. Okay, cool. Makes me feel slightly better, but yeah, okay. The funny thing is, when I look at the numbers and the statistics, if I simply follow the rules, there's some trades here and there, they don't go well, but if I simply follow the rules, it all works out. But following the rules is not always easy, you know? Yeah. Okay. Blue delta, above blue delta. I mean, if we go above that recent high up there at 33,010, it's jumping, it's flying, and people know that. I know that they know that. The question is, are we gonna go? Are you gonna go? Are you gonna? We're above. Well, okay. Well, is this the one? Right, so we have a new 4-hour bar. Yeah, cool. Which poked into the value and is pushing a bit higher. Yeah, and look at on the screen. It's not visible on this too much, but there's a small block here and small here, and up here above. That's where we did not have any action. So, yeah, that's what I'm expecting. Okay, a lot of blue. Can they push it? Let's see what the screen says. Wait, that's not correct. Okay, it's a bit confusing now. I have to go here. Okay. And nothing fancy with the numbers. Okay. Well, if you ask me, that should hold. But we are really close with the stop. I don't really like that. Thing is, if I move my stops anywhere or do anything, then I break the rules. Then I can't win. That's how it goes. And so for now we wait. Right, the 15-minute bar did not really close higher, but it looks like we are gathering momentum on the other 15. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try to draw a line here to find where the double level would be. Here. So closing above this line, can we? Yeah, closing above that line there would mean that we create a double level, and we can then push our stops slightly up. Right. It was quite hollow here, actually, quite fast here. It's we just so much blue. Wow. Right. Well, Claude, I don't know what's going on, but I tried to start you in the voice mode, but yeah, apparently it's not running right now, so we're currently waiting for the chart to do something. It's 1604. That means the PMI numbers have been dropped, and nothing fancy about them really, so waiting for the market to do something. I mean, it sort of looks like the buyers up there didn't get any follow through, which is not a good sign, but then again, we're getting new buyers. We're getting new ones, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Right. We're getting some reds. No, we didn't. Okay. Right. It doesn't look like the 15 wants to go higher, actually. So the 15 does not align with my current structure, but my trade was... Was I incorrect with my trade? That's the question. Here are some buyers. Okay. It's quite a light candle, this one. It's went up quite easy actually. Not really sure. Wow. More buyers showed up. Looks like the 15 is looking a bit stronger now, huh? And okay, are we gonna get a push for the highs? Looks like that double top may be in play. See. There, yeah. I'm gonna pull the thing a bit closer so we can see it. Okay. Buyers at the top. No, they don't want that. 10 seconds. Okay. But there's gaps going up. That's quite strong. Oh,
that's really close actually. Oh, now we touch the highs. We touch the double level. Yeah, there's the buyers. Look at where I draw the line and look at when that bubble appeared. Do you think that's coincidence? I don't. They're eating it, more buyers, they're eating it, more buyers. Yeah, they're eating it. This is a double level on H4 as well. If we push above this at 30011, it can have a reaction higher. Let's see. That's a double level. So moving up the stops a bit because double level, right? So okay, and I think the ATM is a bit actually, if we take out the highs and we start running, I think the ATM is gonna push my stops, but I'm not sure exactly how or when, but yeah, it looks like it could do that.
Alright, Claude, I'm back just with a note. We created a double level on H1, on M1, and also looks like we are forming one on the H4. Could be potentially an explosive move higher. We'll see if the ATM behaves now. Yeah, we'll see, like I said. That's way too close to be comfortable, I think. You saw the jump there? There, one. That was one moved up. That's the ATM. I did not do that. Slight push higher and the others would follow, I guess. Right. So we have a double level, we have a gap, we took out the level. There's no reason for price to come back. I'm pushing it here. There is absolutely no reason for price to come back.